The representation here can knock on any door in this country and it will be opened. We believe we represent enough value, enough integrity, and enough weight to talk to anybody in this country. We also believe that the key players, both in the current administration of the country, as well as those who are aspiring to be the next administrators of this country, recognize the value of a group such as this one. What we'll do, therefore, is to try and see how we can work with the electoral process first. We will ask questions about how prepared they are, what we can do as compatriots, and what we can do with other communities and other participants and other citizens who are likely to be of help. We will say to those who are conducting the elections, what can we do? And we will also say to them, please listen to us. We can add value to your understanding of some of the challenges and the problems that you have. To make sure that we help to create a conducive atmosphere that will facilitate the emergence of a leader who is voted by Nigerians, a credible electoral process, peaceful environment for the conduct of that election. And we will work with all the candidates in areas where we believe we can lend and support the goals of the democratic process. Nigeria needs to have an orderly transition from the President Buhari's administration to the next administration. We don't have an interest in who becomes Nigerian president, except to say that we hope he will be a good leader, a leader who will be supported by all Nigerians, and will have an election that will not compound the problems of Nigeria.